Trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Kilo. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get this soft matte pink makeup look. If you are interested in this look, please continue to watch this video. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family. I mean, why not? We're a happy bunch here. 2, turn on your notifications bell. 3, go ahead and like this video. And if you enjoy it, please share it. I will have all the products listed down below. Now, let's get into the video.
The reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I to hello. I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, 'cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better
Who? Who? No boo. No boo. No boo. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I did this. I did this. Just go ahead, if you see this, give me a little clap, give me a little hand in the comments down below, because your girl did this. Your girl did this. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video, because sharing is caring, and it really does help me grow our community. So if you like the look, of course, share the video. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. I post videos every Thursday. If y'all are interested in more looks like this, please let me know. I really enjoyed doing this. It was really fun. Totally out of my comfort zone, but worth it. So yeah, thanks for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Oh, okay, so I know you guys are gonna want to know where I got this hair from. Actually, I got this hair from my mom. So, but I am gonna try to find the details, and I will try to list them below. But you know, wish me luck. Sorry.
Somebody told me I should hit